What's going on, my people? So I noticed a lot of people are finding it hard verifying their ITLG account, right? And when I mean verifying your ITLG account, I actually mean the facial verification. A lot of people find it hard to achieve, right? In today's video, you're going to learn how to do this facial verification fast, and it's not really hard. It's really simple, right? It's just that a lot of people don't really get it, right? So what you have to do right now to get this done real quick is to click on the profile icon at the top right hand corner of your screen. Once you click on that, you would arrive on this very page. Now, from the referral section, you have to switch to the human hash section, right? And this is actually a new account. Let's say you are creating a new account for the first time, because the first thing you're meant to do after creating your account is to verify your account, and that's doing the facial verification, right? Really important. So just switch over to human hash right now, and you're going to see this very message that says you haven't verified yet, and you get to see the black button that says verify. Based on recent updates, yours might display another color or in another form, but what you're meant to do is to come over to the section that says submit referral code. Now you're going to see a code on your screen. Just write that down or in the description of this very video. Now once you pick that code, submit it in this box you see right here. Type it in this very box you see right here and submit, or you can just copy the one you see in the pinned comment of this very video on the video description. Now once you submit this very verification bar would appear, and you can see right now it says verify to get your reward. More so, you need to understand that once you do this, you're going to get a 0.5 mining HHP, right? And this would increase your mining speed. So just take this recaptcha right here, and once it's verified, you have to allow your phone to do this, to carry out this verification. So we're going to say why using this app. You can also use only one time if you just want to do this once. So you're going to be given several instructions like turning your face to the right, turning your face to the left, raising your face up, and bowing down, right? It's as easy as that. But there is one thing, and this is where a lot of people make mistake. Now this very mistake is carrying out this facial verification at home or in the dark. You have to do it in the daytime, and you have to make sure you have enough sunlight. You have to make sure your camera is clear enough to get enough sunlight so that the AI can grab your face, so that the bot can grab your face and register your face. Otherwise, you'd keep getting a failed message, right? So once you get a failed message, just step out of your house and carry out this facial verification. So once you step out of your house right now, just go ahead and carry out this facial verification. And once you successfully do this, you get to see a message like this that says you're all set, your ID has been verified, and you can now continue. So you just go ahead and click on the continue button, and you get to see the 0.5 HHP checked, which means you have actually performed and passed this facial verification. So once it displays green, you know that you're actively earning, right? And you ought to see an invite code right here. Like I said before, you can use my invite code in the video description. Note that once you do this, I would also benefit from this. Same when you do for others, or when others use your invite code. It's a win-win situation for everyone. So like I said, this video is going to be a short one, and I'm happy we achieved that. So this is what you need to know. If you haven't joined Interlink airdrop, I would advise you to do so, and do so real quick. Link is in the video description, and if you have any questions at all, you have my community to go ask the question. I'll leave a link in the video description. Also subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one.